Greetings everyone and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video. In the following video, we'll be looking at changing user defaults. The Defaults tab on the user profile allows the defining of default field values to be applied when adding new employees to the system. Once we have opened Jarrison Time, we'll head over to the menu bar and click on User, then Profiles. From here, we will select which user we want to edit the defaults for and click on the Defaults tab. Then for today's example, let's start with class. From here, we're going to set that on to contractor. We're then going to move down to company. We're going to set that to 01 ABC creations. We're then go through to department. We're going to set that to admin. We're then going to move down to occupation and we're going to set that to clerk. Then we're moving on to pay group and we'll put that onto admin week. We'll select shift and put that onto 3-week rotation. And site, we'll then select head office. We can then click on save. Then we can click on close and notify the user that the defaults have been set. Please note that if the user is logged in, they will need to log out and log back in again to be able to see the changes that we have now made. Next, for an example, let's have a look at a user that does not have defaults set and how it would look when they are adding an employee into the system. For this, we'll head over to the icon bar and click on our employee details icon. From here, we'll click the add employee button at the bottom left, and here we will see that the employee fields as well as the shift pattern and pay group are all set to unassigned. And next, we'll take a look at a user with defaults set by logging in with their account. Now that we are in the system with a user that has defaults set, again, we'll go on to the employee details icon, click on that, and at the bottom of the window, we'll click on Add Employee. This time, we will see that our employee fields, such as department, company, site, class, and occupation are already set, as well as the shift pattern and pay group. And having seen that the field defaults are working as expected, we can then close the window and go on working with Jarrison Time. That will be all for the video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.